It is for all international students. And the application deadline is for February 26th, 2025. Hello my friends, welcome to yet another exciting opportunity. You guys have been sending me messages that you want to see opportunities in other countries other than the UK. So in this video, we are going to look at a fully funded scholarship in UK. A fully funded scholarship in Sweden. So let's go. Welcome back, guys. As you are seeing on your screen right now, Swedish Institute Scholarship 2025 fully funded master's degree opportunities in Sweden for international students. And this is the introduction. Are you aspiring to pursue a master's degree in Sweden without worrying about the financial burden? Look no further. The Swedish Institute is now accepting applications for the Swedish Institute Scholarship 2024, offering a fully funded master's degree for international students from around the world. This remarkable opportunity covers all tuition fees, living expenses, insurance, and even travel grants. So if you're interested in going to Sweden and study free of charge, just make sure that you watch this video until the very end. So let's continue. So right here, you are going to read a little something about the Swedish Institute that we are talking about today. And these are the details about the scholarship itself. It is hosted by this institution in Sweden, definitely, as you have already indicated, and it is specifically for master's degree. And the good news is that it is for all international students. And the application deadline is for February 26th, 2025. And we have already said it covers everything that you need as a student, from tuition fees to monthly stipend. And in the monthly stipend, it has a monthly allowance of this amount to cover your living expenses throughout the study period. It also has a travel grant of this amount, and they emphasize here that this is a one-time payment and does not apply for students who are already living in Sweden. In other words, that travel grant also includes your air travel to Sweden. And then these are other benefits. You're going to join their membership, and after graduation, you're going to join their alumni network. And they say that the scholarship also includes insurance coverage against illness and accidents. So right here, we are looking at the eligible disciplines. And we have computer science and engineering. We have agriculture, horticulture, forestry, fishery. We have arts, design and media. We have business administration and economics. We have education, educational sciences and didactics. We have health and medical care, of which most of you who watch my videos actually fall under this category. Then we have humanities. We have journalism, communication, information. We have languages, law and legal studies, materials, construction and manufacturing, mathematics, natural science, religious studies, social science and behavioral science, social work and welfare, technology, veterinary medicine, and nursing. So I want to believe that most of you watching my videos are actually covered. One way or the other, your discipline is covered. So now let's look at the eligibility criteria. But before we jump into that, if you are getting any value from this video, please make sure that you give it a thumbs up. And what do you think, guys? Should I continue bringing you opportunities in other countries, or we should just focus on the UK? Please let me know your thoughts under the comment section. And if you are new here, please make sure that you hit that subscribe button and join this family, because here we share all matters, opportunities, either jobs or studies, and everything good. Thank you for doing that. Let's continue. So the eligibility criteria is here. The very first one is that you must be an international student from outside the EEA, and you should be having a minimum of 3,000 hours of demonstrated employment. And then you must be from an eligible country. You can actually check the eligible countries by yourself and find out if your country is also eligible. So here they also share about the application process you have to apply for a master's program, and then you should apply for a global professional scholarship. Then you'll undergo the institutional screening and evaluation before admission. Then you'll get a notification, and then final evaluation and announcement of the scholarship recipients. So let's take a little more closer look at this scholarship. So this is the homepage of the institute offering this scholarship, and you can read all the details here, and you can see I'm at the part of apply. When you come here, actually you can see scholarships. Let me zoom it. So I'm actually here at the part of apply, and here you can see scholarships, SI leadership programs, funding and grants. They show you a picture of what your life could be like. So these applications open and close in February. So you guys need to look at the eligibility, the requirements and all of that, because you still have time. February is still a lot of time away from now. So you have no excuse at all for not getting prepared to apply for this scholarship. So when you come to this homepage, there's another overview here for the scholarship itself. And then here are the requirements that we have touched on some, but some of them were not mentioned earlier, like this one. You must be liable to pay tuition fees at the university admissions. In other words, if you have another scholarship, then you are automatically disqualified because you cannot have more than one scholarship. But also what I wanted to share with you are these key dates. So from 15th October 2024 to 15th January 2025, apply to Swedish master's programs through university admissions before the deadline in January. So the program application is in January, but the scholarship deadline is 29th of February, right? So from 1st November 2024, the Institute Scholarship application documents and eligible master's programs will be published. So make sure that you look out for that. Then from 10th February to 26th February 2025, the application portal for SI scholarship will be open. Then on 27th March 2025, the university admissions will make its announcement. Then 24th April 2025, the scholarship will be announced. In other words, the beneficiaries will be announced, and you'll know for sure whether or not you got in. And down here, they repeat what they already said, and they also include what is not included. Additionally, you can see here previous experience. You must prove that you actually have 3,000 hours of work experience. And what are they looking at for you to prove that experience? Let's see. They are looking at both full-time and part-time employment. For instance, you could have been an employee, you could be doing freelance, or you could be an employer yourself. There's also an important note here, which they say if you are currently employed, we advise that you discuss your application with your employer. It is your responsibility to ensure that you will be granted leave of absence or be released from your work in time for the beginning of your studies. SI will not intervene in this matter. And this is self-explanatory. And with that, I want to believe that you guys can take it up from here. And I want to wish you success in your scholarship side. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.